We're out on the Whipsaw Trail on a mission to test our rigs and our off-road skills. The terrain is difficult. We're going to be pushing it to the limit. My name is Sean, and this is the story till now. Brought to you by Epic Adventure Outfitters. Also by White Rock Dodge. And in part by just spent the night at Wells Lake, about halfway through the trail. We're getting ready for another full day of adventure when we get word that another one of our crew is on the way up to join us.
So Casey, John, Paul, Dustin, gone ahead on the trail. Ron's on his way up, so we decided to hang out at the lake for the afternoon and maybe go for a swim.
Woo! Oh man! Whew.
You there, hard driver? Every bit of a bump, you're gonna hit your control arm on the back. Okay, yeah, give her a bag of curry from there, buddy. Whole bag?
I call this obstacle the fins, for the 3 fin-shaped rocks you have to maneuver over. This is usually what happens to people on these rocks, hung up on the diff.
Hey Teddy, you're doing it now, man.
After watching Paul make the line on the right look easy, I felt pretty good about getting up the rocks. I was so close, but slipped off the rock at the last minute and ended up winching up. I'm gonna get this one next time.
Now you gotta be the fastest.
That's right, yeah, exactly. To set a good time.
Teddy was really focused on getting the right line.
Who put that there?
Pollen, no!
My allergies! Yeah, buddy! Teddy just nailed one of the hardest obstacles on the Whipsaw. How do you feel, buddy?
Great.
Yeah! You feel like you just came down with a case of Brovid?
Brovid 19.
Guys, if you like learning new skills, you're gonna love our sponsor for today's video, Skillshare. Skillshare is a place where you can choose from thousands of classes to learn new skills. Recently, I've been doing all sorts of classes to try and up my game when it comes to things like writing, graphic design, and photography. All things I use on a day-to-day basis on this channel. In fact, I just did a class called Animation for Graphic Designers, How to Animate a Logo. This is something I've wanted to learn for a really long time, and definitely something I'm going to use when I'm designing graphics for my videos. Skillshare has no ads and is always launching new premium classes, so your only limit is your creativity. Best of all, it's only $10 a month with an annual subscription. And the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a free 1-month trial of Skillshare so you can start exploring your creativity. Skillshare, thanks once again for sponsoring this video.
Our next stop is Memorial Rock, an obstacle I just did for the first time last year. It's a tricky little rock face climb that requires just the right amount of speed.
Go. All right, we just hit Memorial Rock. Everyone made it up. John was a little sketchy sliding on it, but got her done.
Along the way, snowy ruts would make things a little bit interesting.
No, it's fine. Teddy, watch your end on that tree there. Yeah, because everybody's sliding right into it.
Don't worry, Teddy. A little duct tape will fix that right up. You have to clear some fallen trees on the trail.
You know when they come out with like the version of the toys with battle damage? This is a battle damage trail wrecker from that tree right there. Bam! Woo! Whipsaw 2021 has left its mark.
Looks good.
I think we're throw some wood in there.
This is a good example of how some snow on the trail can create a natural obstacle and make things just a little bit more fun.
Nothing for that.
Am I on the line?
We've been waiting for Braun to get here at the lake, and we got a message relayed from Casey on the radio that he's in trouble in some deep snow. Took a wrong turn back towards Memorial Rocks. So Teddy and I are heading back on the rescue mission, and hopefully we can find him, get him out of there, and then head back and meet up with the rest of the guys.
Going back up this section of trail with all the snow and ruts was going to be interesting.
Wheel speed, baby. Got it. Now, stay hard left. Watch out for this stump.
Just as the snow was getting to be a bit too much to climb up and I was starting to struggle, I saw Braun coming down the trail towards me. We turned around and led him back down the trail.
What's going on? You know,
Glad we made it, man.
yeah,
Gnarly, eh?
yeah.
It's a little harsher than I've ever seen it.
Man, it was a good run yesterday. All right, we just found Braun. We got him back down to the lake. Now we got to go and meet up with Casey and the other guys who are already on their way to where we're going to camp tonight. We got a lot of trail left to cover, so stick around. It's going to be fun, and we'll catch up with you guys when we get to camp.
corner of that rock right there and put your right passenger tire on it. And then you start heading this way, you're just gonna, it's gonna be pretty smooth pavement if you think about it. Once you get your front tires up here, start turning right again, you're done, man. It's like, yes. Good. Good. Straight.
This is the last main obstacle on the trail. If I can just make it up this one, the Whipsaw will be nearly defeated.
Keep it straight. You're good, keep it straight. Slow. You get a little bit of a belly rub. Keep coming, drivers. Drivers hard. There you go. There you go. Now start going passenger again. There you go, buddy. That's how you do it.
Teddy made it up all 3 rock obstacles on his first time on the Whipsaw. That's really impressive. Great job, man. Getting out here with some good guys for the weekend, there's nothing better. When you can see your skills improve and push yourself further than the last year, it's a really great feeling. I can't wait to come back and do it again next year.
Yeah, we're like looking at it.
You thought it looked too sketchy.
We're like, there's no way that. Well, I got stuck in the snow already earlier up on one of the flat spots. Got stuck good. The winch was just like, wouldn't even pull me out. So yeah, we shoveled a bunch, put some rocks in the tires and stuff, and we finally got it to climb out. But I saw that other snow pile was like this tall. I'm like,
each other up the hill.
Oh, wow.
Slowly. I got like halfway up.
We got some bacon.
Of course we got bacon.
And then we actually have to put some vegetables for red sauce, so it's going to be good times. It's going to be really good.
Excellent.
Yeah. You're a god. All right, we're just heading out of the Whipsaw Trail. Had a pretty great weekend. It's day 3. Just gonna head back home. Casey and the guys left early this morning to catch their ferry. I slept in a little bit, but great trip. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Merch available at dirtyanddangerous.com. See you next week.